And the rope, you got it all, looking for the lead. Pedro Penduko, Melody Magica. It's Pedro Penduko running by the wheelies. You got it all. Racing third, Melody Magic. Then followed by Love Minstrel Coquette. Strong Boy is also there. Then followed by Ingay Ingay. Next on line, Zolin Victus Brown, Baby Sweet Eliza, Shuttler's Treasurer. While my boy Paulo is running in a tail of the field out of straight A trouble. It's Pedro Penduko leads Balang. You got it all. Melody Magic. Moving up now is Ingay Ingay. Passing the half mile. Ingay Ingay takes up the running. Strong Boy. Now the outside. Melody Magic. Soul Invictus picking up bar will Pedro Penduko, you got it all. My boy Paulo next on line, Sweet Eliza Coquette, Love Minster, Shuttler's Treasure, while Brown Baby now running in a tail of the fielder. Inside the last 400, Ingay, Ingay just in front, followed by Strong Boy. And towards the final turn, Strong Boy now from the outside by ahead, followed by Ingay, 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 Strong Boy on the outside. It's still Strong Boy, leads by half a leg. Ingay, Ingay, fighting back. Ingay, Ingay, Strong Boy. Ingay, Ingay, Strong Boy. And finally, Ingay, Ingay might got there over Strong Boy.
Mukhang na-upset ah.
Hindi na tinuloy ni Kuya Vic.
Hindi na.